Talk about the Morehouse portable calibration machine. This guy right here, it's a 2,000 pound capacity machine. You can use it to calibrate tension or compression. You can calibrate different types of load cells on it, force gauges, handheld force gauges, that kind of stuff on this fairly easily. It's lightweight. It can be moved around wherever you need space in your lab, or if you need to take it to the field, you can do so. Today we're going to talk about setting it up and getting the reference standard set up in the machine for use. And then we'll go into setting up the object for calibration on top of that. When you purchased the portable calibration machine, this is what it's going to look like when it comes to you. It'll be set up just like this. It's a hand-driven gearbox to raise and lower a jack screw that will rise and lower your standard load cell for the calibration. So first thing you're going to want to do is take your standard load cell. Here we have a Morehouse ultra precision load cell. This is a 2,000 pound capacity load cell, goes with the machine. You need there's a bottom adapter that threads onto the jack screw. The female thread on the bottom of this is designed to fit right on the machine. The male thread on top, this one is designed to fit this 2K load cell. So it will thread onto the machine, and the load cell threads right onto that. And you just thread it on there. And then your reference load cell is in position to be used for calibration. It doesn't matter if you're doing tension or compression, the setup is the same in this machine. To do the calibration, you'll need reference standard indicator that it was calibrated with, and you'll need another indicator for your device that's being calibrated, or an indicator that's capable of reading 2 channels, so you can read the reference standard and the item you're calibrating. We have this compression load pad. It again is threaded. On the bottom there's a female thread that matches with the 2K thread on the load cell. So it just threads right onto the top of the reference standard. And of course, as always, anytime you're putting something in a force calibration machine, you want to make sure you don't jam the threads together. So you want to make sure that it's not so tight on there you can't move it, because then when you put it under force, it's just going to lock on there. So that's the setup of the reference standard.
Thank you for watching this video on the PCM. We hope you found it interesting, and we're happy to answer any questions. Please feel free to contact us.
It's time to minimize your measurement risk. We're the ones to choose. Morehouse.